Hello children, good morning. Today we are here to discuss Unit 6, Structure of Atom of 10th class. Within this, we are going to study about principles of electronic configuration. What are the principles there? Three principles. First one is Pauli's exclusive principle, Abbo's principle, as well as principle we are going to get study. Among the first principle that we study, that is Pauli's exclusive principle. What is meant by Pauli's exclusive principle? It can be defined as in a single atom. If I am taking an atom, for example, helium is an element or atom if you take it up. If I am taking any helium atom, it means what? N is equal to 1 means what? First shell 1s1, its electronic configuration is 1s2, in which 2 electrons are there. Therefore, it can be represented what? N is equal to 1. First shell, that is K shell. In that K shell, 2 electrons are existing there itself. Why means based upon one formula called as maximum number of electrons accommodated in shells depend upon formula called as 2n square. Therefore, as n is equal to 1 means what? 2 into 1 square, that is equal to 2. That is K shell consisting of how many electrons? 2 electrons. They can be they will be existing there itself. If I am talking about a single atom, in that single atom no 2 electrons. Here 2 electrons are existing there. These no 2 electrons will have an identical set of same number of quantum numbers. These 2 electrons doesn't exist identical set of same number of these quantum numbers. What are quantum numbers? N represent principal quantum number, L represent azimuthal quantum number, Ml represent magnetic quantum number, Ms represents spin quantum number. It was discovered by Neil Bohr, principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, Sommerfeld, magnetic quantum number, Landy, Ms means what? Spin quantum number, Alan Black as well as Gauss-Schmidt. Together they have discussed that itself. These are our principal quantum numbers. Therefore, these 2 electrons doesn't have identical set of these quantum numbers. What does it mean? We'll see later on within that particular, with an example we'll see later on. That particular thing is nothing but what? Pauli's exclusive principle. We'll call that one as nothing but what? Pauli's exclusive principle. We can give it up. And this principle also helps us to understand the electron arrangements. Electron arrangements or arrangement of electrons within atoms or as well as molecules. Within atoms, how the electrons are arranged? Simultaneously, how within the molecules, a group of atoms club together forms a molecule or a compound. How that particular within the molecule, how they will be get arranged. That particular phenomena, to some extent, can be get studied by Pauli's exclusive principle. Not only that one, it also gives explanation. It gives an explanation for classification of elements. It explains clearly how the elements are classified and they have arranged in periodic table. Why means no 2 electrons will have 2 identical set of quantum numbers based upon that particular phenomena. The arrangement of electrons, the classification of elements within a periodic table can be explained to some extent by using Pauli's exclusive principle. In simple terms, to explain this particular concept in the form of simple terms, if you keep it up, we have one point. What is that point there? Electrons. Every electron, the electron, what else we take it up? This is one electron and this is one electron. It is a nucleus. Every electron will have unique single state there itself. Unique nature will have a unique single state nature. It is having its own state nature, single state nature. It is having its own single state nature is existing, that particular field is existing, and it follows two rules. How many rules it is following there? Two rules it is following it up. What is first rule? First rule indicates nothing but what? Only two electrons occupy same orbital. If I am taking s orbital, if it is s orbital will be having, this is s orbital. Therefore, within this s orbital, how many electrons can be accommodated? Two electrons can be accommodated, which is existing in what shape? S orbital will be existing in spherical shape, and it belongs to which shell? N is equal to 1 K shell. Therefore, one s orbital which is having in spherical shape. Within this particular spherical orbital will have two electrons. That is first point. What he is explaining there of same orbital. Second point, what he is saying there, the two electrons that are present in this particular orbital, same orbital, will have opposite spin or anti-parallel spin. What is meant by anti-parallel spin, opposite spin? If one electron is occupied in upward direction, other electron had to be get occupied in what? Downward direction. We call it is nothing but what? Opposite spin. Or we can also call it as nothing but what? Anti-parallel spin. Opposite spin or anti-parallel spin, it will be get existing there. That two rules has to be get satisfied for Pauli's exclusive principle. Example, for example, if I am taking helium as an element, whose electronic configuration is 1s2. Automatically, if I represent it is having two electrons in valency orbit. That only one orbit is there. It itself is called as what? Valency orbit. Or nearest to the world, near to the nucleus is existing there. Therefore, within that one means what? 1s2 means what? N represent principal quantum numbers. N, L, Ml, Ms. N is equal to 1. If N is equal to 1, obviously L will be equal to 0. If L is equal to 0, obviously 1. Azimuthal quantum number will be always 1 less than principal quantum number. Yes or not, children? Simultaneously, Ml, magnetic quantum number, the orientation of orbital will be taken place in what? 0 orientation will be existing. Therefore, what? Ms, if you take it up, L, M, Ml, Ns, if you have taken the principal quantum number for first electron. I am talking about first electron, one electron, principal quantum number is 1, azimuthal quantum number is 0, magnetic quantum number is 0. But spin quantum number, if you go it up, if I am taking minus half indicates nothing but what? Opposite. Spin there is a minus half if I am taking it up. It is for one electron if I am taking it up. Second one is what? Second electron existing again. Same features will be existing. N is equal to 1 for second electron. L is equal to 0. Mn is equal to 0. But Ms will be equal to plus half. Here Ms is equal to minus half. Here Ms will be equal to plus half. Therefore 1, 0, 0 plus half for second electron. For first electron it is minus half. If I am considering minus half is upward spin. If I am considering plus half is downward spin, then what happens there itself? Opposite spin is existing or not for these two electrons? These two electrons are existing in what? In same orbital it is existing. Therefore, one electron is in upward spin, another electron is in downward spin. Together, we can call it as nothing but what? Opposite spin or anti-parallel spin electrons are existing. In this way, Pauli's exclusive principle will hold then itself to arrange electrons within orbitals, which gives explanation, which gives about what? Which makes us to understand electron arrangements in atoms as well as molecules. Simultaneously, it will also give explanation for classification of elements in periodic table. In this way, the arrangement has to be done for every electron, for every element, by following this rule. What is that rule? In a single atom, let it have taken an atom of what? Helium I have taken there. After that, again, if I go for lithium, this is helium electronic configuration. Means what? Lithium means what? 1s2, 2s1 is there. This is completed for 1s orbital. If I go for one more 2s orbital, one more orbital I will take it up. Now what this becomes M, this becomes L, this becomes ML, this becomes, yes, we take it up there itself. N is equal to 2. L is equal to what? N is equal to 2, but L is equal to what? 0 only. 0 only, minus half will be there. Here, minus half will be there. Therefore, first two electrons have been get paid, and the next electron beside one, 2s orbital will be there. Within that, it can be get overlap with the opposite spin of next electron there. In this way, Pauli's exclusive principle can be explained clearly based upon one law, one rule, that is what? In a single atom, no two electrons will have identical set of the same quantum numbers. If you observe clearly, for quantum numbers there itself, N, L, M, L, principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number remain same for helium element, which is what? 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Therefore, what happens? They are remaining same for two electrons itself. The two electrons which are accommodated within same orbital, it is remaining same. But whereas it is varying based upon spin quantum number, one is minus half, other one is plus half. Spin quantum number differ for two electrons. One is in upward direction, other one is in downward direction of same element. Similarly, if we go for lithium also means what? N is equal to 2, we got it up. But whereas these two are remaining same, L and ML is remaining same. But N is varied. Why? One more shell is added here. If one more shell is added here, an electron will be not existing. For these two electrons, I have arranged minus half plus half. L is equal to 1, 0, 0. N is equal to 1, 0, 0 plus half. I got it up. If I add again one more shell here, the shell what I have drawn down there itself. Here, what else I have given it up? If I am taking the values, what values I can take it up here? If it is of first electron and the third electron, if I am taking it up, N is equal to what here it is? N is equal to 2. Y means third shell. Second shell means what? L shell it is existing. But the spin is equal to what? L is equal to 0. Next electron will get us p orbital. 0, 0 it will be get existing there. But it remains as what? Minus half. N is equal to L is equal to 2 means what? L is equal to 1 it will be get existing. 2, 1, 0, minus half, plus half, minus half. Or here N is equal to 2 means what? N is equal to 2 means what? L is equal to 0, 1. First 0 includes for what? First 0 gives about what? First electron there itself. Then afterwards second electron will be entering into that particular one. In this way, Pauli's exclusive principle can be explained. I just put a topic clearly and try to understand and analyze it up and get good marks. Thank you.